Hello and welcome to the AT for D205 YouTube channel. Today's video is going to go over how to download Snap&Read and Co-Writer from the Chrome Web Store and also how to log in to both extensions with your @elmhurst205.org email address. Snap&Read and Co-Writer are literacy support extensions that the district provides licenses to for any student attending District 205. Like I said, both are extensions, so when you download them onto your Chromebook, they're going to show up on this top right section of your browser in the extensions bar. So I have Snap&Read uninstalled on my Chromebook. So I'm going to go to the web store and I have the link straight to the web store for Snap&Read and straight to the web store for Co-Writer in the description of this video. So students and parents, you should just be able to click on that and install from there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add to Chrome. And it's going to go through its installation process. Takes just about a minute. And then it pops right up here in my extensions bar. So again, today I am going over Snap&Read, but the procedure will be the same for Snap&Read or Co-Writer. So once I have it installed, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to ask me to sign in or create an account. You're going to go ahead and sign in because the district has already created you an account on the back end. So I'm going to go to sign in, and then I'm just going to go to sign in with Google. And it's just going to take me through those steps to sign in. And as long as your student is signing in with their @elmhurst205.org email address, they will automatically have access to Snap&Read. So as you can see now, it's turned blue, so it's ready to go. Feel free to watch the next video for some basic usage instructions of both Snap&Read and Co-Writer. Thank you so much.